Okay, so I have three shapes over here and they all have pretty much the exact same shader. Actually, these two have the exact same shader and this one just has like a slightly different one. Let me just go to my layout view over here and so we can look at it. Okay, so first of all, let's just take a look at this to see what's actually going on. This one is metallic and I'm just keeping it over here to like make the actual scene look pretty. There's no actual reason to have it, but yeah, it's fully metallic. It can't have transmission because if you have a metallic material, you can't have transmission at all. Second one, this one, surprisingly, it might not seem like it, but they both have the exact same shader. The only difference, as you can see on the right side over here, is that one of them, this one, has a solidify modifier, while the other one does not. And that's how you get this see-through look. That something that you would see like in real life in bubbles and stuff like that. This one, the engine, like the render engine, thinks that it's like a solid orb, like it's a solid metal, not metallic, sorry, a solid glass orb. So that's why it's basically acting like a lens. While this one, since we have it solidified, you don't even need to like solidify it a lot. I have it at 0.001. So since it's solidified, it basically has two layers of glass. I wonder if we can like take a look at it if I get super close. Oh boy, this is gonna be hard. Yeah, there you go. Like, see, there's like basically two separate layers, and that's what's causing this proper like see-through effect. And that is like the actual mistake that many people make when when they're like trying to make bubbles or see-through objects. They don't solidify their surfaces, and their engines ends up thinking that it's a solid orb instead of like a surface that's hollow from the inside. So yeah, I hope this helps some people. Once more, this is the final render. Um, yeah, it came out nicer than I thought it would. Thanks for watching.